Hi, welcome today for making words. You're going to need these letters. And if you don't have these letters, you can write them on a piece of paper and cut them out.
You also need a scissors and a pencil and a paper. Okay, let's do our sounds. Ready?
E, I,
Awesome. Here we go. We're going to get going really fast. The first word, we're going to start with a 3-letter word. 10. 10. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. 10. And now, as you've made the word 10, write it on a piece of paper so we can do our sort.
10.
Here we go. You gotta go fast. You ready, Drina? Super speedy. Write that word down. 10. The next word is, move the letters around in 10 to make net. Net. You can catch a fish in a net. Write that word down. Net.
Net.
Add 1 letter in net to make nest. We have a bird's nest under our deck. Nest. Nest.
Nest.
Write that word down. Nest.
Nest.
Move the letters around in nest to make the word
Pest.
sent. I got mad and sent him home. Sent. And
Sent. Sent.
write that word down. Change the first letter in sent to make tent.
We're going to have a tent tomorrow because we're having sleepover with my sister.
Yeah.
And we're going to watch a movie. Yeah.
We might make a tent in our room. Tent.
Yep, and watch a movie after pancakes for dinner.
You can sleep outside in a tent.
Tent.
Just change, and make sure to write tent on your piece of paper.
It's T at the end.
Change just 1 letter in tent to make the word test. Test. I passed the spelling test.
Test. Or I had a test because I had to go to the doctor. I had a test in my school.
There it is. Now check it. That's right. Now we're going to start all over again and use 4 letters to spell skin. Your skin protects your body. Let's stretch out skin and listen for the letters we hear. Ready? Sk. In. Sk. In. Sk. In. Write that down, Drina. You've got it. Skin. Write it down. Sk. There it is.
Skin.
Move the letters around in skin to make the word sink. Wash your hands in the sink. Ink. We have a k at the end.
Ink. Like I sink. Like I sink in the water if I don't have a float.
It also means that, to sink in the water. Very good. All right, write that word
Imagine
sink
using
down.
your brain. Your apple sinked in the water as you bit it.
Write that word sink down. Add 1 letter to sink to spell stink. The garbage that sits out in the sun will stink. Ink. There it is. Ink.
At? Stink it?
No, not stink at. stink. Write that word stink down. Okay, now it's time for our secret word. It's a very hard one today. We have 7 letters to use.
Stink it?
In a minute, I'll give you some clues. So move your letters around.
Stink it! Stink it! Stink it! Stink it!
It's not a word. Stinket is not a word in our language. Okay, my first clue is it starts with a K. The first letter is a K.
Oh my god! This is impossible.
My next clue has the word it in
After?
It. So it has the
After
chunk.
it?
It.
Kit.
Okay, starts with kit. So now start putting letters in there and just see what works. You're really close. You're so close. Okay, I'll give you another clue. It's a baby cat. It's a baby cat. Well, let's say that word. What's the word for a baby cat?
Kittens.
Okay, so let's clap that out because you're missing the letters. Kit, tens.
I want to say it.
Go ahead, say it. 1, 2, 3.
Kittens.
Good. Now I want you to check your spelling of that. We're gonna clap it out. Kit,
Tens.
tens.
It's kit by itself and then tens, which means 2 T's in the middle. Kit tens.
There you go. Tens.
Yep.
Kittens.
Kittens.
Please, now, cut out all of your words. Make sure to write kittens down. Cut out all of your words so we can do our sort. Welcome back to our sort. Drina's going to point to the words and we're going to read them, so please read them with us. As we do today, we're going to sort the words based on the beginning sound. So listen with your ears and watch with your eyes. Ready? Go ahead, Drina.
Okay.
Nest. Good.
Nest.
Keep going. Tent. Stink.
Stink.
Net. Test. Kittens. Oh, we can't see. 10. Skin. Scent. Sink. Try those again. The bottom one. And. You got it. Sink. Do you see the in chunk there? In sink. Can you look at it? Can you point to it? In. Yeah, so that says sink. Sink. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and sort the words based on their beginning sounds. Go ahead, Drina. Go ahead and do that at home. Move those words around. Here we have our sort. Let's read that sort. We have the n, t, s, and k. Very good. Okay, next part. We're going to grab one word to write it in a sentence. You can grab 2 or 3 if you want to. Go ahead, grab a word and write that word in a sentence.
A present for my birthday.
Okay, read it. What do we have?
My friend sent me a present for my birthday.
Awesome, you've got sent there. Let's look at friend. Listen to this. Fur.
I know.
Yeah, fur. And then there's that I. You were right though with that I. Sent me a, let's look at present. You were just missing one letter. Present. Kind of like sent. Look at present, sent. For my
Birthday.
Okay, you just have forgot one word, one letter. Little b, lowercase b. And here with the what's your little b there? Do you remember him? He has a belly. Maybe he has a big belly. And it's going to be an IR that says R. Like sir. Okay. Birthday. Awesome.
Bye. I hope you enjoyed making words. We would love if you would send your sentences so we could read them. Thank you. Bye. Bye-bye.